The quantum computing revolution is upon us. Once a theoretical concept, quantum computers are rapidly becoming a reality, poised to revolutionize industries from medicine to finance. These machines leverage the mind-boggling principles of quantum mechanics to solve problems that are impossible for even the most powerful classical computers. This revolution promises to be as profound as the digital revolution, creating countless high-paying job opportunities for skilled professionals. The demand for quantum computing experts is skyrocketing, far outstripping the current supply. This skills gap presents a golden opportunity for anyone with the right aptitude and training to enter this exciting and lucrative field. Whether you're a student planning your future career or a seasoned professional seeking a change, now is the perfect time to jump on the quantum bandwagon. So, what does it take to break into this burgeoning field? Firstly, a strong foundation in mathematics, particularly linear algebra, calculus, and probability, is crucial. Quantum mechanics, the theory underpinning these powerful machines, relies heavily on these mathematical concepts. In addition to mathematics, a solid understanding of computer science principles, including algorithms, data structures, and programming languages, is essential. Familiarity with quantum algorithms such as Shor's algorithm for factoring and Grover's algorithm for search will give you a significant advantage. Furthermore, experience with quantum programming languages like Qiskit, Cirq, or Forest is highly desirable. Fortunately, numerous resources are available to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. For those starting their academic journey, several universities now offer undergraduate and graduate programs in quantum information science. These programs provide a comprehensive education covering the theoretical foundations and practical aspects of quantum computing. For those who prefer a more flexible approach, a plethora of online courses and certifications are available. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and FutureLearn offer courses taught by leading experts from academia and industry. These courses cater to a wide range of skill levels, from beginners to advanced learners. As the field rapidly evolves, staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning and networking. Attend industry conferences, workshops, and webinars to keep abreast of the latest developments and connect with potential employers. Joining online communities and forums dedicated to quantum computing can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. The future of quantum computing is bright, with experts predicting exponential growth in the coming years. By acquiring the right skills, embracing continuous learning, and actively networking, you can position yourself for a rewarding and lucrative career in this transformative field.